Woodford funds rally 6% as election finally buoys UK domestics. Neil Woodford's portfolios have rebounded on the landslide victory for the Conservatives, which comes the same day Woodford Equity Income is renamed with Lynx branding. It is understood at the time of writing both the legacy portfolio of Woodford Equity Income and the Income Focus Fund were up about 6% after the election result. However, fund performance data is updated at the end of the day, so fund returns for Friday will not be available until Monday. WAF's authorized corporate director Link updated the market on Friday, saying 80% of the portfolio's liquid stocks have been sold. The cash has been invested in FTSE 100 index instruments, money market funds, government securities and commercial paper with short maturity date. But shares in Woodford Patient Capital Trust were trading down 0.61% mid-morning. Meanwhile, the Edinburgh Investment Trust share price was up 2.5% at the time of writing. Its top 5 weightings are 31.6% in financials, 16.3% in consumer services, 14.7% in industrials, 13.7% in oil and gas, and 10.6% in consumer goods. Manager Mark Barnett was sacked by the Trust's board on Wednesday after delivering another weak result for the company, which extended its underperformance to beyond 3 years. He is to be replaced by Majidi Asset Management CIO James Duphor. In a statement published on Friday following the election result, Barnett, who also manages the Invesco High Income and Invesco Income funds, said he believes the valuation opportunity remains in companies that derive their income from a UK revenue base. It is UK-sourced revenues, more than just the valuation of UK-domiciled companies, that have suffered the biggest discount in the period of uncertainty. The embedded discount in valuations across global equity markets had already reached such an extreme level that by the end of November 2019, £1 of revenues sourced in the UK was worth less than a third of $1 of revenues sourced in the US. Other trusts gather steam. Other investment trusts were faring better from the bounce. The Montanaro UK Smaller Companies Investment Trust was up 5.3% by mid-morning. The trust's largest sector weighting is industrials at 39%, followed by consumer at 20% and financials at 18%. Similarly, the Alistair Mundy-run Temple Bar Investment Trust, which counts Royal Dutch Shell and BP, as well as Capita, Lloyds and Barclays among its top 10, was up 5% by midday on Friday. Sleep queried whether today could be the day that value made a comeback, but Fairview Investing investment consultant Ben Yearsley said it is not necessarily start a value comeback, more a re-rating of the UK. Meanwhile, the top 5 funds viewed on the HL mobile app had a more quality growth and value focus. These were Linsell Train Global Equity, Fund Smith Equity, Linsell Train UK Equity, HSBC FTSE 250. For more on this story, visit the news article link.